What's up guys? So with my insanely expensive liquid-cooled PC nearly complete, I thought it'd be fun to switch things up a bit and test my frugality by building the absolute cheapest PC money can buy.
It's time for Nerdgasm!
Hey, what's up guys? Jerry here, aka Barnacles, coming at you with another episode of Jerry Rigged. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use a commonly available remote control outlet that you can purchase online or at your local Target, Walmart.
Getting straight to the point, this first item is something that I cannot do a shoot without, and I even have 3 of them on my car door at all times. Bongo ties.
Alright, so I figured while I have this test loop still together, I could talk about a few things that I get in my inbox all the time. And rather than try and write out the same answer or copy and paste it 1,500 times, I'll make a video and hopefully that'll be a lot easier for people to get some of the basic answers they're after when it comes to water cooling.
Our CPU choice was all about compromises. The Pentium G3258 gives up multiple processing cores, it gives up hyper-threading, and it gives up turbo boost.
Hey guys, this is Austin. Say hello to the positron.
Select.
These communists are all cowards.
Have you looked at our caps recently?
Our caps?
The badges on our caps. Have you looked at them?
What? No. A bit?
They've got skulls on them. Have you noticed that our caps have actually got little pictures of skulls on them?
I don't,
Hans, are we the baddies?
Hey, you want to make a bit of money? You should do what I did. Get into farming. See this? I got this selling corn. Comes out of the fucking ground. I couldn't believe it.
Inspector! Inspector!
Yes, sir.
I was sitting on a park bench just now and I put my coat down, and when I picked it up again I found my wallet had gone and £15 had been stolen.
Did you see anyone?
No, no one at all.
Well, there's very little we can do about that, sir.
Do you want to come back to my place?
Yeah, all right.
Mr. Wentworth just told me to come in here and say that there was trouble at the mill, that's all. I didn't expect a kind of Spanish Inquisition. Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition.